Hello everyone, Dauda here, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step procedure on how to delete your Facebook account for whatever reasons your privacy, private concern, or not feeling secured on Facebook. I think maybe people are hacking your account, and for whatever reason you want to delete your Facebook account, this is the perfect channel for you. This video and this channel existed to help you get influence on Android. For whatever tips and tricks, anytime, just subscribe to this channel to get more on how to become Android Pro. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get Facebook app. Click on the three dot line, click on settings again, and then scroll down, account information. Let's search for account ownership, or let's count personal account information. Alright, you can have this, or you can easily go back and if you want things different, just click on the settings there and click straight on personal and account information, and click on account ownership and control, then click on deactivation and deletion. Select delete account and click continue deletion. Now Facebook, before you start, Facebook will ask you why you are leaving. So you say, I spend too much time on Facebook, I have a privacy concern, I don't feel safe on Facebook, whatever being your reason, just click continue to account deletion. Over here, Facebook gives you an option to choose whether to download your Facebook information, or if you don't need it, you move on. Over here, you can download your Facebook information here. So download already. When you click on download info, so guide the process and you select whatever you want to download. You click on create file, so that you click on account deletion. And one more thing here. One more thing here. Anytime you want to delete your account, Facebook will ask you once the deletion process has begun, you won't be able to reactivate your account or retrieve any of the content information you are adding. So that's why it gives an option to select, or download your information. So if you're done with that, click on account deletion. Now I said, confirm that it is your account. Before delete your account, please enter your password. Enter password.
And I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past
I've entered my password. Now it asks me confirm permanent account deletion. So now here, Facebook is telling us if you are about to delete your account, or delete your account. If you are ready to delete it, click delete account. And once you have submitted your account for deletion, you will have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. So after 30 days, the deletion process will begin, and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added ever since you started using it. So what is mean that Facebook is telling you that it is giving you time to think about it. If indeed you really want to delete the account, or maybe something issue into doing that, so you can come back within 30 days to change your mind. And if you will assist me, I'll guide you through so that you can get your information back. Other than that, let's move forward. Now, so the account is scheduled for payment basis. If you log in to Facebook, you don't take it, you will have the option to cancel the deletion and retrieve any of the content information. So, session expired. That means everything is over now. Now we are logging out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm sure if you like it, you've learned something new about it. Sometimes you could have all accounts, you could delete them and refresh your life or keep your privacy concerned. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Anytime you upload a new video, it will notify you.